We can walk, run, swim, climb, but fly? Human beings are extraordinary for the mere fact that we are able to make dreams come true. And when everything seems to be against you, remember that planes do not take off in the direction of the wind, but against it. CANAVIA Training Academy is a Canary Islands-based flight school which provides courses for professional airplane and drone pilots and cabin crew under European regulations and authorized by the Spanish State Safety Agency. Founded 10 years ago and with very competitive prices, CANAVIA places itself strongly in the marketplace, offering all year-round flight availability. Thanks to the very good weather and to one of the most modern fleets in Europe. Gran Canaria, Tenerife, Fuerteventura and Lanzarote are just a few of the 8 international airports where instrumental and visual procedures can be practiced, offering some of the best conditions in learning to fly. Our new and well-equipped facilities, together with cutting-edge technologies and a team of experienced instructors, allow us to offer quality training and a perfect environment in which our students can develop their professional pilot career. We offer both classroom and distance learning training, perfectly suited to students with reduced time availability. We are a benchmark for aviation training both in Spain and Europe, thanks to the dream of a child who wanted to become a pilot at all costs. Having succeeded, he now shares his dream with all those with the same vocation, offering them quality training and, above all, prompting safety and responsibility. Welcome aboard. The Commander speaking. Thank you for joining us on this flight to your dream vacation, or to meet your loved ones, or to change your life, soaking up new experiences and different sensations. Fasten your seatbelts. We're about to take off.